Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I'm calling this Vlogmas Day 11, even though it is still the 10th. I just need to get some stuff done, and I thought, well, I can talk to you guys while I'm doing it. I am going to frog this hat, which is the sultry something hat. Oh, that's not it. Sultry sampler hat. It's this one. It's really cute, but it uses really fingering weight yarn, and I'm just not feeling it right now. So I am going to take it off of the needles and just reskein it. And I'm going to put it in a plastic bag instead of one of my regular bags, along with this Jason's hat that I am not in the mood to do either. I even have a cable in here, so I'm going to get my needles back. Although this is further along than I expected it to be. Let me look at it. Yeah, I just don't think I did that great of a job. I mean, you can kind of tell it's cables, but it's not that good of a job, and I'd rather it be a better job and do it right than to finish this one, because I wouldn't be satisfied with it. I wouldn't want to give it away, and I wouldn't wear it. So that means it's time to come off the needles, which is fine. I mean, this happens. This is part of it. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. I've enjoyed doing it. I am off tomorrow, but I want to spend the day doing some knitting and just hopefully just doing whatever I want to do, because it's well, I'm off on Friday too, but it's my last day off before Christmas when I'm by myself. So that's kind of fun. But Friday when I'm off, Kitty will be here. So that's even better. But because I'm by myself, I get to do some knitting and stuff. And there are some things that I want to still do. I need to do the thumbs of Katie's mittens. And I need to decide if I'm going to finish her sweater in time for Christmas or not. And at this point, it's not looking good. I'm really in the mood to cast on other things, but I don't know that I'm going to do that either. But decisions. It's crazy. I do know that I'm putting this away for now, though, because I am just not in the mood to do it. I think I will leave. I don't know. This is Wool of the Andes Knit Picks. I think I'm just going to leave it with the hat pattern in this bag so that I'll know that, hey, this was what I was going to use for that. And that way I can use it if I want to. But seriously, I am just frogging this back, which just means I'm taking it apart, ripping it out, which is why they call it frog, because you're rip it. Sound like a frog, ribbit. So that's why they do that. And it's nice to wind it as you go, otherwise it could get tangled, which is never fun. Nobody likes tangled yarn. So, I guess Vlogmas only goes until December 24th, like through December 24th. Like, I don't have to vlog on Christmas, but I probably will, because I want to wish all of you guys a Merry Christmas. So that's kind of weird. I think I am done shopping except for Dennis. And we've decided that we want to get a new bed. So I don't know, that's not very exciting, but it's something that we need. So there's that. And then he also wants asked for a couple things, which he is not going to get. Well, he might get one of them, but he's not going to get both of them. He wanted a metal detector. I think he thinks he's 80, just like I think I'm 80. No, I'm teasing. Neither one of us are 80, but not that there's anything wrong with being 80. And if he's still doing that when he's 80, good for him. And then he also wants, what is it, a TIG welder? He has a MIG welder and he wants a TIG welder or something like that. I don't know exactly what I'm talking about, but that's the one he's not getting. That's like $800. No. Big no. the metal detector he wanted for his birthday, but honestly, that was more than I like to spend on birthdays. And so I told him that he could have some of the money for his birthday, and then he could have the rest of it for Christmas. Because it's like a $300 metal detector, which is insane if you ask me. But hey, I'm sure if he asked, if he had anything to say about the price of my yarn, he would say that was insane. So I get it. Our hobbies are expensive, and we all have our own, and do what we need to do to support ourselves in our chosen thing. We all have a thing. Could be way worse. Neither one of us spend any money on alcohol or drugs or anything like that, so you know, it's okay. So here I have it balled up. I'm going to, it won't fit around it, so I'm just going to keep this with it and put it in this plastic craftsy bag. And I'm going to take these off the needles too, because these are Chow Goo needles, which are really nice needles. So I want these needles back for sure. I don't want to leave these hibernating for however long, and I didn't do enough of this to make it worth saving anyway. And I am just not in the mood to make this. And knitting is fun for me, so I don't want to do something that I'm not in the mood to do or something that's not fun to me. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Now this is kind of already in a little mess, so I just might leave it like that and do it later because it'll just be in a bigger mess. But honestly, that's okay. And I'm going to put this pattern in there too. So now I have 2 hibernating projects in this project bag, but I have an empty project bag that I am going to fill. I'll have to put that with my other stuff. So I have this project bag that I need to fill, and I forgot about this. This is a hat pattern that was a mystery cow that I started, and then I wasn't sure how to do some of it, so I kind of left it. I don't know if I'm going to get back to it or not. I guess I need to decide on that one because it's holding up some needles too. It's just a hat, so it's not that big of a deal, and it is a really pretty color. So maybe I will finish that, but I'll leave that one outside of this project bag because I want to put in that project bag. Actually, I don't, but I do want to put this in a project bag, but I don't want to put it in that one. I want to put it in a different one, but this is the cooler side of warm. It's a cowl. It'll be really pretty. And then in my Mrs. Brown's bag that I got, I'm going to put my Malabrigo sweater yarn in that. So this one is going to go in this bag. And that wasn't as long as I expected, but so happy Vlogmas day 10. Sorry that it's really day 9 and I'm doing this early, but I figured I could vlog that, and you guys kind of like to see some of the stuff that I'm doing, and it's nice when I don't really have a lot going on, that maybe, you know, if I just vlog whenever. I have a card here I haven't opened. Oh boy, I was hoping there were pictures. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I don't know if they, oh my gosh. I'm sure they don't mind. He is just so cute, and I love all that buffalo plaid. Man, oh man. It looks like she's lightened her hair. Oh my word. Cute little baby. My goodness. Sorry guys, I'm like all admiring. But I think I'm going to wind this wool and find a project bag for it. And I will talk to you guys later. Happy Vlogmas day 10. Hi everyone, it's my last day off, and I have been doing inventory on my yarn for the last 2 hours, and I'm still not done. I said I'm gonna live until I use all of my yarn, so I'm gonna live forever because I have so much. So I just ate my lunch, the same thing I had yesterday, the ham and cheese, and I'm watching YouTube, excuse me, and I'm going to knit, I think, another washcloth so I can get done with those. And I don't know what else I'm going to do. I might even take a nap. So, happy Vlogmas Day 11. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hi everyone. So it is about 7 o'clock and I am running to Starbucks because I need to get a gift card for a white elephant present for Thursday. So I don't need it today, but I thought that I would go ahead and get it, and when I get home I will wrap the present, and then I will also have, oh gosh, it's totally dark. So I'm just going to say I just wish you guys a very happy Vlogmas Day today. I almost forgot to end it, and I will get this uploaded ASAP. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.